The FrostFire Clash puzzle event is now live on Rollercoin. Let's check out all the details right here on That Techo guy. Stay tuned. Alrighty, another puzzle event is now live on Rollercoin. Let's check it out. So here we have choose your elemental miner, Glacial Shard or Inferno Core, each with 2.3 petahash in power and a 1% bonus. Merge for power, combine them into a rare version with 31.7 petahash and a massive 12% bonus. Easy tasks, great rewards. Let's check it out. At the top, we've got the event here, FrostFire Clash. If we go into it, we can see that there are another 2 days, 23 hours and 23 minutes remaining at the time of recording this video. And this event did just start a few minutes ago. Okay, so you can see that we've got the typical levels at the top with the progression bar, total of 16 quests that you can complete. And when you complete all of those quests, you will get the last miner, which is the Inferno Core uncommon version at 6 petahash per second, and this miner can't be sold. There is also obviously the other miner, which is called the Glacial Shard, and that is also going to give you the same amount of power. The uncommon one is 6 petahash as well. Again, can't be sold, but you can get that a little before the Inferno Core, okay? You can also reveal the miners in their common versions from random puzzle pieces, as you can see in the puzzle below, and in the progression bar when you're still starting off at the beginning. So technically speaking, in this puzzle event, you can get the Glacial Shard common and the Glacial Shard common from the random piece as well. Same for the Inferno Core after completing 9 and 12 quests. And you can merge those into uncommons and then get those uncommons if you manage to make it to the very end and merge them with the other ones that you get here, and you'll get them rare, okay? Like I read out in the beginning, you get the rare and you get that massive 12% bonus power, okay? And all that minus power as well. So quite a bit of power going on. There is also temporary bonus power, 120 terahash for a whole week, quite a few of those. There's also 300 terahash for a week as well here that you can get and reveal at random, okay? So this is like typical other puzzle events. So when you complete the first 2 quests, you'll get the first reward, which is temporary bonus power, nothing written, okay? And when you get another 3 on top of that, you'll get the Cyber Sun, which can be sold. This is at 760 terahash per second. And when you do another 4 on top of that, you'll have 9 completed tasks and you'll get the first Glacial Shard, okay? And so on and so forth, okay? Until you get to the very end with the progression bar. For each quest that you complete, even one quest, you'll be revealing a random piece from the puzzle as well. Okay, so after you complete 2, you're going to get double the rewards. After you complete 5, you're going to be getting double the rewards, and so on and so forth, because you'll be getting a reward from the progression bar at the top, as well from the random puzzle pieces in the puzzle. Going through the tasks really quickly. Exchange 3 RLT, win 30 games, open 3 lucky cases. Merge 180 parts, exchange 12 RLT, win 60 games, open 12 RLT cases. Exchange 34 RLT, win 100 games, open 34 lucky cases. Exchange 64 RLT, win 150 games, open 64 lucky cases. Exchange 98 RLT, win 200 games, and open 98 lucky cases, okay? So you can see that here you've got the games quests as well, so you can win up to 200 games, and you'll easily there be completing around 4 quests straight away, okay? So you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 quests, because you've got the 31 as well. So you'll get to this miner just by completing games, plus you will have revealed 5 random pieces here, and you'll get 5 random rewards from the puzzle as well, just by completing the games. If you do exchange RLT, at the moment there is a 35% discount on Dodge, as you can see. Okay, so when you exchange your Dodge to RLT, you'll be completing some of those quests. I believe there is 98, exchange 98 RLT, like we just saw. So there are 98 RLT that you can exchange, okay? Use your Dodge to do that and you'll be saving and you'll be exchanging more RLT for spending less of your crypto, and you'll be completing some of those quests in the puzzle event as well. Okay, let's go back to the puzzle event page and we can see just the other miners as well, because I didn't mention them. So there's the Nova Fusion RC 330 terahash. You can merge those into a more powerful miner as well. The Inferno Core here and the Glacial Shard as well. Okay, here they have 1%, but obviously if you do merge them, you'll get even more power and bonus power as well. Smaller Paradise Spear at 42 terahash with no bonus power, but if you do merge those two, you'll get even more power and bonus power as well, and quite a bit of RST here as well. 80 RST, 40 RST, 80 RST, and another 120 RST. Okay, so quite a bit to be won there as well, and you can open some parts cases and do some mergers with those parts to create even more powerful miners. If we go back to the home page, we can see also that there is currently a race tournament going on for the next day, just shy of a day now. And for this race tournament, what you need to do is you need to either win games or open lucky loot boxes. So when you're opening those lucky loot boxes using your 35% discount on Dodge, you'll also be contributing to the race tournament. Okay, so you'll be getting points for that. You do need a total of 3,000 points in order to be in the race tournament, and to do that you would need to open 3 lucky loot boxes, or you can just play 6 games and you'll get those 3,000 points anyway. Okay, so if you play 6 games and win those 6 games, you'll get 3,000 points. If you open 3 lucky loot boxes, you'll get 3,000 points and you'll be in the race tournament. Okay, the top prizes are here, as you can see. I think this is the Hamier miner. There is 100 RST and 10 petahash in temporary bonus power. Okay, so you can be able to take part in that as well. You can play any game you want and just get some points there. Okay, so that's it for this one. I hope that you found this video useful. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please do so down below. Smash the like button and hit that notification bell to be notified when new videos do come out on my channel. Until next time, take very good care of yourselves and thanks for watching.